Own the land. Wonderful 2-bedroom/2-bath home on a cul-de-sac. Home has a double wide carport and a huge shed for storage. The large covered screened patio is 18 by 11. Full hurricane protection with panels. Poly pipes have been replaced. Roof is 12/2016, both baths have been renovated with new sinks, light fixtures, accessories etc. New frig 2 months ago. New anchors in 2022. New piers in 2023, done to address a sag, corrected, vapor barrier intact, new ceiling fan in primary bedroom. This home will check all the boxes. This community offers 3 clubhouse all with tennis, gyms, and pools. Golf course, restaurant, live theater and so much more. HOA orientation required within 10 days of closing.